Welcome, fellow engineers. Hi, I'm Riza, one of the product support specialists at Multiplai.tech. In today's video, we're diving into how to add documents to your Multiplai AI agent's knowledge base using Google Drive. And if you're looking to enhance your AI agent's capabilities with valuable information, this is for you. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the knowledge base. It's where your AI agent stores all the information it needs to answer queries, generate responses, and handle tasks. By adding documents, you're enriching your agent with the knowledge it needs to assist user effectively. Here is a step-by-step guide to build and enhance your AI agent. So step 1, sign in or log into your Rhea.pro account. Step 2, on the Multiplai AI agent's homepage, find the Agent tab located at the top of the page and click on it. Step 3, select the Build New Agent button to be directed to the Create Agent page. Step 4, input the agent role, name, and category of your AI agent. Once done adding agent role, name, and category, utilize AI to automatically generate the agent's goal statement, backstory, and base instruction by selecting the Generate button in each section. Step 6 is to define the agent's tone of voice and this personality type. So select from the option. It's completed, scroll back up and click the Create Agent button to successfully save it. On this part, we will now upload documents to the knowledge base using Google Drive. So step 7, after successfully creating your AI agent, scroll down to the knowledge base section and click the upload button. From the list, select the Google Drive option. You will be prompted to log into your Google account. Click the continue button. Click the continue again to successfully access Rhea.pro. Once connected, the documents from your Google Drive will be displayed. So select from the files. So choose the documents that will help your AI agent better understand its tasks. Feel free to add as many as necessary. Finally, click the Save Changes to successfully upload the save the documents to the knowledge base. We also added an exciting new feature. While creating your AI agent, you can now interact with it. Next to the Save Changes button, you'll find an option to interact with your agent through chat, and you can test it out in real time. Additionally, you can engage with your AI agent through our Rhea chat feature. And that's it. Adding documents to your AI agent knowledge base is an easy way to boost its performance and capability. Remember, you can always update the knowledge base with more document as needed. If you find this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insight on optimizing your Multiplai AI agents. See you next time. Goodbye.